Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres on Saturday visited several areas of Pakistan, devoured by floods as the remnant of a two-day strife amid rising worst of the disaster. Record monsoon rains, a glacier melt in Darfur mountains have triggered floods that have killed more than sweeping away houses, railway tracks, brake livestock, and crops. Huge areas of the country are inundated, and hundreds of thousands of people have been forced from their homes. The government says the lives of nearly 30, 30 billion have been disgraced. Pakistan estimates the damage and about the government and Guterres have blamed the flooding on climate change. The UN Security General landed in the Saleh province on Saturday before flying over some of the worst affected areas and cure glaciation, another badly hit province. It is difficult not to feel deeply moved to hear such the light description of tragedy. Guterres said after leading incendies according to a video released by the office of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Pakistan needs massive financial support. This is not a matter of generosity, it is a matter of justice. A video released by Information Minister Mariam Aurangzeb shows Guterres stated next to Sharif viewing flood the mic arise from a nightclub window. Megan Nebel, Igres said, suffering the damage. In July and August, Pakistan got to 3,091 of billion of rain on nearly more than the 30 years of fires. The Saudi province of Said has since warned afresh. Guterres said on Saturday the world needed to understand the impact of climate change on low-informed countries. Humanity has been waging war on nature and nature strikes back, he said. Nature strikes back aside, but it was not sense that has made the emission of greenhouse gases that have climate claims change to dramatically. Guterres said there is a very unfair station relative to the level of direction. Record Hassan raised a glacier melt in another mountain's heptagrid flood that have killed more than 103,051 people, sweeping away has roads, railway tracks, bridges, livestock, and crops. The areas of the country are inundated and hundreds of thousands of people have been forced from their homes. The government says the lives of nearly 33 billion have been described. Pakistan estimates the damage at 20 billion, and both government and Guterres have blamed the flooding on climate change. The UN Secretary General landed in Sindh province on Saturday before flying over some of the world's affected areas and road to Balochistan, another badly hit province. It's difficult not to feel deeply moved to hear such slight description of tragedy. Guterres said after landing in Said, according to a video released by the office of Prime Minister Sharif. In July and August, Pakistan got 300 of rain more than 30 years of price. The southern province of Said has since more rain than fights. Guterres said on Saturday the world needed to understand the impact of climate change on low-income countries. Okay, just that from me. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.